I got the fuel air ratio about right, and the carburetor synced up the best I can. Very touchy, and starts right up. Not sure about the noise, if it needs to be more consistent or if that little missing is okay. I messed with the richness quite a bit, and this is the best I can do. There's that one. I'm not sure if that's rich or about right. Just slowly pushing up on the dash pot pin, and that's pushing all the way. So I think it's good. Guess I'll have to do the test drive and see if it starts right up tomorrow. If it starts right up tomorrow, I'll be very happy. And I think my friend might come over with his special device to get it even better on the fuel air. So we'll see.